Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In our last video, we have discussed about model coordination spaces in BIM 360. In this video, we'll discuss about the remaining features and fast forward way because we need to upload the models in our next video. So right now, I'll cover the insight and Takeoff in this one. We'll see how much long this video will be, and then we'll go for build and cost management as well. So firstly, I'll go with insight. That is very important because when will you will start your project as an engineer, as electrical, mechanical, architect, or whatever it is, or as a viewer only, you will see the inside page first of all of BIM 360. Okay, so this is our dashboard. Dashboard means what I wanted to show to our client or to our viewer in terms of our project. Right now, there are a couple of options. Project address, you can see Delhi, India. Weather, you can see 46 degree, partially cloud, something like that. That one. Project RFI is right there, and different kind of features as well. If I'll scroll it down, different kind of things. But as you can see, project issue because we did not created the models as of now. So there is no issue, but there will be any issue. You can click on go to issues. RFI same thing, submittal same. You can check it out those one as well. Otherwise, if you wanted to go, if I'll right there, if I'll expand this portion, you can see the design features on dashboard. So design issues will be right there. Project design issues will be right there. Design issues by the company will be right there, and you can review those kind of things from right there. You can see coordination issues status, coordination issues by the company, and whatever actives are versus closed, the issues in terms of coordination things. Uh, Project controls, definitely we have project controls things, submittals, RFIs, and different kind of data will be right there. Okay, quality differently we can check it out. Quality issues will be rather project issues, added and versus closed, the activity regarding the issues, issue root cause, and active versus closed the ratio. It matters on the quality. Safety thing, yeah, definitely safety issues will be right there, and issues by the company, design issue trend, approval, something like that will be we can see on the dashboard itself. If you are a project manager or project admin or project controller or something like that, so you can customize your dashboard as well. Right now there are two ways. Either you can click on the dashboard, you can create your new dashboard by renaming it whatever you want to do, give the name, and you can share with project members to whom you want to share. You can add the roles and the members only, and you can share with all selected members or only for you. It depends on you. Right now, we can see nothing has added right there. If you wanted to add, you can click on card library. Card library means there are a lot of features that we were doing, like RFI, submittals, those kind of things you can add, and directly it will be shown right there. So that is how you can create your new dashboard. Right now, we are not creating because that is just that's not compulsory one. That's additional thing. Okay, we'll go with the original dashboard as of now. Right now, you can click on what we can say. It's loading. Wait a minute. You can zoom in on the particular map. This is a map actually, project address, and you can zoom in right there. You can check it out the location, that where the location is actually. So now if I'll maximize this one, uh, it's taking time, but you can see that's how we can check that where is, you can see Delhi, and it's nearby these Hazari place, that is, it's right there. So you can check it out, that particular thing. It's kind of a map, and zoom in zoom out, something like that you can do, like you can see. So that's how we can cross check the location as well. So this is our insight of the project. It means whatever things are going on the project. You can export that one. You can customize that one as well. That's a different thing. So that's all about insight. If I'll go with the takeoff now, takeoff, build, and cost management. We'll see. Now for takeoff means the quantity takeoff I'm talking about, and there are only two conditions for that one. First one, the measurement. We need to sure we need to ensure that which units we are following. So on that particular basis, the takeoff thing will be covered. Right now there are a lot of options what we need to take it off, like sheets and models files, whatever we want to take off. But right now I'll go in the setting and we'll show you what is very important on the okay, it should not be like that, I guess. If I'll click on home, what's important to go with the Takeoff. So right now, there are, you can see, getting started. Prepare your project by taking off, take off by following these step keys. So we need to follow these step keys to go right there. First of all, right now, if you'll read, define classification and measurement systems for your project and setting. We need to give the proper measurement, that which unit we are following. If you are following imperial, go with the imperial, metric classification system. You can choose, you can upload your customized classification. What does it mean? If I'll show you, the classification means, like suppose there is a category will be right there, and inside a category there is one more subcategory of a, so it will be showing by a b, something like that one. Again, if there is one more description, then it'll show like a b, sorry, a c, because it's technically related to that one only. So the structure will be like that. Okay. So A, then AB, AC, AD. The what we can say, the classification will be like that one, and we need in that particular format only, because uh, we'll see in detailed version. But that is the best practice. Otherwise, you can upload your own classification as well. Okay. So that setting we need to do. Again, we'll click on home. There are two more ways, like you can see, upload 2D and 3D files in the sheets and models to use during the tech off, so that it can read. Right now we do not have any file, so if we have any file, you can upload right there and it will be reviewing all those kind of things. If you want to take it a loop, uh, then you can click on take a tour. You can see 2D files are ready to take off, something like that, and 3D models should be right there. And then we can see in upcoming videos about that one, how we can go with it. So this is about takeoff thing that we can consider. The last video will cover build and cost management as well, and then we'll jump on to the model part of BIM 360. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.